What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making chicken quesadilla. My interpretation.
Gourmet style?
I don't know. Whatever style. Okay, let's turn on the stove. And I make the chicken already. Then you don't need to wait.
It's grilled chicken?
Yeah, roasted. This is really easy. And with cheese. How bad can it be?
Did you marinate the chicken?
Yeah, marinated with little salt, a little ginger juice, and a little bit of dark soy for the color. I'm gonna cut it. You want a piece?
No, I'll wait, Joyce.
Really?
I'll get too full.
You too full?
I'll get too full.
Oh.
It looks good.
But it smells good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I use dark meat, but you can use white meat. You sure you don't want a piece?
Alright. Which one? Let's try this.
This is handmade flour tortilla from Trader Joe. That's why it's not the same size.
Oh, that means it must be good, right, Joyce?
I don't know. We'll find out. You don't need to put it in oil. Just sort of heat it up. So easy. It's easy melting cheese. And now, do you want a piece?
Yeah. Thanks, Joyce.
You soften a little bit, and all you need to do is flip it high and start putting cheese in it. With that, how bad can it be, right? And then eat it with sour cream. I only put it in half because I'm going to fold it.
When?
When they start melting. I should put more cheese on this side too, right?
Sure.
I'm not talking to a wrong person.
You can only make it one at a time, right, Joyce?
Yeah, you can see it's not melting, but I'm going to go and even you can do this.
I don't know about the marinade chicken though, Joyce.
You can buy some chicken and start folding.
Perfect timing, Joyce.
Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it to have this side.
Oh, nice.
I'm going to take it out, and that's it. How easy.
Oh, that is easy.
Yeah. Look how nice it is inside.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And then I'm going to put some cilantro in. I wash it already. I'm going to chop it and mix it in the sour cream. Let me focus in here. That should be enough sour cream, Colvin.
Sure, Joyce.
I love sour cream.
Me too.
What do you not like? Cheese, sour cream. Okay. Picture time.